What are you doing? Oh, yeah, pretend like you were eating that whole time there while you're throwing a temper tantrum. Good Lord. Why would he give me such a creature? Yeah, be angry. Show everyone you're so good. You're such a good bird. Oh my God. Oh, come on. Clinton.
What are you doing, Chipper?
Oh, dance. Dance on your empty food dish.
Don't fall.
I'm glad I filled it up for you today.
Shut up.
Just so you could throw it all over the floor. Yep.
Yeah, step up. Come on.
Dance! Okay. Just wanted to show Facebook how obnoxious you're being because you're a 2-year-old having a temper tantrum. Bye-bye.